Let's play Took okay? Okay. Okay, sure. Okay. Okay. Yeah. What the frick? Okay, I guess there's some thunder. That's okay. I'll just go call Mom. Mom, there's some thunder. What? Oh wait, there's thunder? No, it's thunder. It's okay. I'll go check it out, okay? I don't know, Mom. And also, Bethany's crying. Okay, you go there. I'm just gonna play with Timmy. Okay, come on. Okay. How about you girls stay together? And, okay, I'm just gonna make some dinner. Okay. It is getting pretty late, so let me just get changed into my clothing and... Okay, girls, it is really late now, so I'm just gonna make some dinner. Shoot. First off. Oh my gosh, we're out of food? Wait, we're out of food? Wait, what? That means I'm gonna have to go out in the thunder. Yeah, out in the thunder. Mom, don't leave me. It's okay. Here's the chicken, I guess. Make do with what we have, okay? Okay, Mom. There. There's some roasted chicken. Let me just try to put it in the oven. It's too big. Okay, there you go. Let's eat your roasted chicken, and I'm gonna go to the supermarket or / grocery store. Okay, bye. No, Mom. Okay, let's all stay together, and we're just gonna get changed into our jammies and put on our sleeping bags. Okay, I already did that. Okay, let's go. And okay, I'm just gonna change into this. I won't change into my pajamas. Okay, well, I'm gonna change into my pajamas. And yeah. And let me just put on this, and I can listen to my microphones. Okay, good. Yeah, good night. Oh, oops. Let me just grab that raccoon. Okay. My shark toy and my raccoon. Good night. Okay. I'm just gonna put on this like hoodie top. I have to drive in this rainstorm. Okay, I think we're here. Let me just grab my bag and it's raining really hard. Okay, hi. Hi. How can I help you? Oh, well, I just came here shopping, you know. Oh yeah, I know. Okay, let's see. I think I'm gonna get get some cabbage so I can make some salad. I love salad. And also, I might make pasta for dinner. And, you know, Estrella's not the biggest fan of spaghetti, so... Okay, there's some spaghetti. And... Okay, I'll just get some chips. And, yeah... What else do I need? Let's see, I'm gonna get some gifts for Little Miss Haven. And some meat for my famous meat marinara spaghetti. Okay, good. Alright, now I'm just in the car and wait, what? Ah! Oh my gosh, there's thunder. Now I know what the girls were talking about. It's even worse than last time. I don't know if I can drive back in this weather. Okay, well, I think we're here now.
Okay. Wow. That was really. Oh my gosh. Ah, thunder. Shoot.
Kids, I'm home. I got the
really
groceries.
risky. I don't know about
Just gonna put them there.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, hey, Mom.
Here now.
Oh, Mom's
I'm just gonna bring the food in.
okay.
Yes. Mom is back.
Alright, so I'm just gonna put away my iPad now.
Bag up there. I'm just gonna unload the groceries.
Oh, okay, I'm coming.
Oh, Mom's home.
Yeah, I'll put
Mom's
away my
home.
iPad too.
Okay.
Alright. Here's the gifts. So if you're wondering what about the other older two girls, I know they aren't into dolls and stuff. Not Estrella, Bethany is. So I just got them chips. Okay. Now I'm just going to go ahead and make my famous meat marinara spaghetti. There we go. Oh, some feta cheese. I'm gonna use not feta, mozzarella. I'm gonna use that for salad. Okay. There's one salad. And there's two. Alright. Okay, so now I'm just gonna mix up the spaghetti for them. And there's the two spaghettis for the younger ones. And Estrella's just gonna eat some mozzarella, salad, and I'm just gonna eat a regular salad. Okay, kids, come. Alright, we're coming home. I'll put my chips up there, and I'll put mine there. Ooh, chicken pasta. Okay. Pretty good. Alright, where's my salad? Here's your mozzarella and tomato salad. Okay, I ate my salad. And now it's time for you to eat your spaghetti. Yummy! Alright, that was pretty good. Okay. And now, we're just gonna go ahead and chill, relax, Oh, clean up your dishes. Yeah, on it. Oh my gosh. Estrella, move. Okay, there. And you guys go chill and relax and have fun and stuff. Okay, will do. I'm just gonna stay here and maybe watch some TV or something, even though we don't have a TV yet. Don't mind that, it's just the Xbox. Oh my god. Okay, so now I'm just gonna make some dessert for them, or not make some, get some ice cream sandwiches. Okay, there we go. Kids, your food. Not food. Dessert. These are really good flavors. Okay, let me go give it to them now. Alright, just get some plates for them. And there's 1, 2. And there's 3. Okay, your ice creams are ready. Your ice cream sandwiches, whatever.
Alright, there's 1 mint for why do I keep saying that? No, 1 mint for Estrella, 1 Napoleon for Bethany, and 1 sprinkle vanilla for Miss Haven. Alright, eat up, kids. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and put our dishes away. Yeah, same. Okay, all done. Okay, kids, now get ready and get tucked up and everything. Alright, I'm gonna get changed into my jammies. And I'm just gonna wait for the kids to get changed too. Oh wait, they already are changed. Ooh, some gifts for me. Ooh, it's the new American Girl dolls I wanted. Slay, soul sister. Slay, my sister, mister. Okay, dollies. I'm just gonna go to bed. Alright, yeah, same. Nightsis. Okay, that changed. I'm just gonna head to bed. Okay, I'm gonna take off my glasses now. And just put them there. Take off my headband. And good night. And here's a house tour, because I thought you guys might want it. And yeah, creds to Miss Toka Camp for that.